Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to write an essay on Independence Day in 10 lines. Let's get started. India celebrates Independence Day on August 15th every year. India got freedom from British rule on August 15, 1947. On this day, we honor the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. The whole nation celebrates independence by hoisting national flag. The Prime Minister of India unfurls the flag from ramparts of Red Fort, followed by national anthem. We have a holiday, but we go to school to attend the flag hoisting ceremony. We sing the national anthem and raise a salute to the tricolor. After celebrating Independence Day, at school, we go home and watch the national parade that takes place in the capital city on television. Independence Day is also a celebration of our country's diverse culture. People show their love for the country by singing patriotic songs, displaying the flag. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.